In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in WordPress. If you want to give your website a different look and feel, changing the font is one of the quickest ways to do it. Fonts can make your site feel more modern, more professional, or more creative, depending on the style you choose. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to update your site's font directly from the WordPress editor. To begin, go to your WordPress.com dashboard and open My Home. This is the main starting point where you can access your site settings and customization options. Once you're there, look toward the left-hand menu. Next, hover your cursor over Appearance. You don't need to click right away if the menu expands on hover. This section contains the tools used to control how your website looks, including themes, layout options, and design settings. From the Appearance menu, click on Editor. This will open the site editor where you can make visual changes to your website. If your site supports the full site editing experience, this is where you will be able to manage global style settings, including fonts. Once the editor opens, click on Styles. This area controls the overall design system for your website, so any changes you make here can affect the entire site rather than just a single page or post. That's especially useful if you want a consistent font across your whole website. After that, click on Typography. This section is specifically for text styling. Here, you can manage how text appears throughout the site, including font choices and other related settings depending on your theme. Now, select Typesets and click to open it. Typesets are preset font combinations that apply a coordinated style to your site. This is helpful because you don't have to choose every font manually. Instead, you can preview combinations that are already designed to work well together. When you find the typeset you want, click on Review One Change. This gives you a chance to confirm the update before making it permanent. It's a good idea to take a quick look at how the new font appears in the preview so you can make sure it fits your site's overall style and readability. Finally, click on Save. Once you do that, your new font selection will be applied to your website. If needed, you can always return to the same area later and try a different typeset until you find the one that feels right for your brand or content. And that's how to change font in WordPress.